Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Engineering, procurement, installation and commissioning, EPIC, services related to various pipeline modifications of change MOCs. This announcement pertains to Tender GT 251000600 for engineering, procurement, installation and commissioning, EPIC, services related to various pipeline modifications of change MOCs, scheduled for 2025, with a required bond of $550,000 and a tender fee of $500. The tender documents will be available between the 9th and 15th of January, 2025, with the bid closing date set for February 23, 2025. The bond must remain valid until July 23, 2025, which is 150 days after the bid closing date, while the offer validity period extends to June 23, 2025, or 120 days from the bid closing date. The scope of work encompasses EPIC for multiple pipeline MOCs, including MOC number 1262 for a new Instrument Air Compressor, IAC, at JALM, MOC number 890 for a new IAC at DIYAB, MOC number 1500 for a new Emergency Shutdown Valve, ESDV, for the 24-inch UMMBAB, MEASEEID MOL pipeline, and MOC number 1633 for an early tie-in for FAHM Tank Flare Optimization. Interested parties may obtain tender documents within the sale period, noting that tender issue time concludes at 2 p.m. local time on the final day of the sale period. Suppliers and contractors already registered with QatarEnergy via their e-registration system and possessing a valid SAP ID can purchase the tender document online using the provided link during the tender issue period.